enteric nervous system, the second brain. The neural apparatus of human digestive system is composed of a surprisingly vast and complicated network of neurons. It contains almost 100 million neurons, which is more than the neurons in either of spinal cord or peripheral nervous system. Therefore, it has been nicknamed as the second brain by the scientists. It is technically known as the enteric nervous system. It consists of sheets of neurons along the gut. It is almost 9 meters from the esophagus to anus. It is equipped with its own reflexes and senses and hence can often control its own functions independent of brain. Human digestive system is a unique and astonishing organ system because only this is the system exposed to such large variety of physiochemical stimuli from external world in the form of ingested food. Hence, 70% of body's immunity targets at gut to kill foreign pathogens. It has muscular system and neural system working in coordination to carry out the process smoothly. Therefore, it can be said that digestive system is a complex and extensive system which plays a major role in determining the health of a body.